Unlock seamless virtual communication with just a few clicks. Let's dive into making your first Zoom meeting and sharing that important link. First things first, open up your Zoom application on your computer. You'll see a few options, but for scheduling and getting a shareable link, we're going to focus on the Schedule button located right here. Clicking Schedule opens up your meeting setup now. Let's fill in the important details. Topic is where you'll give your meeting a clear name. Why Euro something descriptive like Project Alpha Brainstorm or Team Catch-up. Next, set the date and time for your meeting and for duration. Choose how long you anticipate the meeting will last. Zoom also offers helpful meeting options. You can choose whether participants can join with their video on or off. Initially for audio, you can allow computer audio, telephone, or both. Depending on your participants' needs, you can also explore options like enabling a waiting room or allowing participants to join before the host. Once you've configured all the settings to your liking, simply click the Save button at the bottom of the window. This will generate your meeting details. After saving, Zoom often presents you with options to add this meeting to your calendar. You can choose your preferred calendar service, like Google Calendar or Outlook. This is a great way to keep your schedule organized. Now for the crucial part, why Euro sharing the link. After saving, Zoom automatically creates a detailed invitation. Look for the line that says Join Zoom Meeting followed by a web address. This is your unique meeting link. Simply copy this link and paste it into an email, a chat message, or wherever your participants are communicating. Anyone with this link can join your virtual session, making collaboration and communication effortless. So go ahead, schedule that meeting, and connect with your team.